1, 2, 3.
If you need dental insurance, Humana One Dental has coverage you can count on for the whole family. There are a lot of great reasons to get a Humana One Dental plan. First, there's price. Dental coverage for as low as $19 a month.
15.
Then there's easy enrollment. All it takes is a phone call or visit online.
16. This is my sweet tooth.
And the reasons keep adding up, like coverage for exams, cleanings, and x-rays, discounts for most major services, and you get to choose from a large network of dentists and specialists.
20, 21.
Humana One Vision plans are available too, with coverage for exams and eyeglasses and discounts on LASIK procedures.
23.
We even have plans for veterans and their families. When you count the reasons to choose Humana One Dental,
And a half.
it just makes sense to enroll today.
To enroll, call 1-877-720-4866. That's 1-877-720-4866.
So we're going to take a close look here at the Humana One dental plan called Preventative Plus. And so going forward, this is the California version. They have it in most all states. About your plan, there's the dental provisions and not any vision, because the vision plan is sold separately. You can see here the calendar year deductible is individually $50 and a family $150. This is the amount you will pay out of pocket for basic services in a calendar year. Annual maximum out of pocket that are maximum annual benefit is $1,000 per individual on the plan. Again, as I had earlier commented about how these full-blown insurance plans have limits to their benefit, the discount plans do not have any limits to their benefits. Co-insurance options, there's the in-network coverage and out-of-network coverage. And obviously the in-network is going to always be a better deal. In this case, it's showing a amount of 100% and towards the maximum benefit annually, but 70% after the $50 deductible for any out-of-network coverage. So then what we see here is on the bottom part of this flyer includes some discount services and then co-insurance options. Again, the in-network and the 70%. For these preventative servicing, there's no waiting period here, which is good because that's typically the same with the other benefits for discount plans, no waiting periods. So routine oral examinations, limited 2 per year. Bite wing x-rays, limited 1 set per year, includes full mouth and panoramic. Ooh, panoramic view of the mouth. And then they have the cleaning, limit 2 per year. And then topical fluoride treatment, limit 1 per year, age 14 and under. Sealants, limit of 1 per tooth per lifetime, and age 14 and under. So see, they always have these limits, and that's where we don't want limits. We want benefits covered as many times in the year that we need and want to go to the dentist. Basic services, 6 months waiting period applies, so the preventative services have no waiting period. Go in, get the cleaning, the x-rays. But any kind of more in-depth needs like a crown or fillings, the extractions, etc., emergency care, pain relief, is not covered unless you're on the plan for a minimum of 6 months. And then that's also for your fillings, limit 2 per year, composite covered on front teeth only. Space maintainers, age 14 and under, initial placement, oral surgery, and prefabricated stainless steel crowns. They're not telling you what the cost is here. They're only telling you what they will pay for that procedure. You will find that the costs are going to be high and there's no discounts on them. They're going to just pay 50% of the bill in this basic services in the network, and that's going to apply towards the annual benefit of $1,000. 30% after the deductible on the out-of-network coverage. So with the page 2, it's the back side of this brochure. Humana Dental Preventative Plus is going to continue here. No waiting periods, discount services, major services, crowns, bridge, dentures including repair and adjustments, periodontics such as periodontic cleanings and gum therapies, endodontics, root canals. You may receive a discount on these non-covered services. You may contact your participating provider to determine if any discounts are available on non-covered services. Out-of-pocket expenses do not apply to deductible, and annual maximum members are responsible for 100% of the discounted service. So this is kind of a sideline of the network that you could tap into a discount portion of this plan. For examples, a porcelain crown fused, average cost $877, your average discount cost $667, savings $210. And so I guess this is where they're calling out the actual procedures costs. Root canal $923, annual average discounted cost $765, savings $158. Periodontic cleanings, $24 is what is saved. That's not much of a savings. Not like up to 60% like the discount plans show. So if it was $110, 60% of that would be somewhere like $65. Partial dentures and dentures are getting up in the higher ranges where you're going to be at a service of $920. You've just used your whole annual benefit of $1,000. You've just used it up in one particular purchase. These are examples only. You can read the fine print, pause the video, have a look at the fine print. Then it gets in here to dental limitations, exclusions. I'm not going to go into any more detail on this except that you can pause it and read it for yourself. So that's the last page. So that is the preventative plan with Humana, and you can get these brochures from Humana. So we'll move on now to the loyalty plan and opening up the Dental Loyalty Plus. And in this particular case, this is the better plan. It costs a little more money. Good health starts with a healthy mouth, regular. One time I went into a gal's elderly lady's home, and she was complaining about her dentures because she had lost so much weight. As some people get older, they just don't eat as much. They're not hungry. They don't have an appetite, and her mouth was shrinking. And so her dentures were flopping around in her mouth, and she needed to spend money on new dentures. A lot of times these dentures will be, their mouths will shrink and the dentures will be floating around in their mouth. So that's where this plan would actually help. And the discount plan is also going to help. Regular dental exams and cleanings can lower the risk of gum disease, which is linked to heart disease, diabetes, stroke. If you have a healthy mouth, then you're going to be healthier all over your body. And other serious conditions. The Humana One Dental Loyalty Plus plan offers loyal members increasing benefits from plan years 1 to 3. These increasing benefits include paying less out of pocket for services like fillings, root canals, crowns, and other services, an increase in plan year annual maximums, and a one-time deductible for as long as you are on the plan, and no co-payments or waiting periods. Most preventive services are covered at 100%. Also, the plan pays the same percentage for no matter which dentist you visit, so it's kind of like a PPO. You can save even more by choosing one or more of the 200,000 dentist locations in the Humana One Dental Loyalty Plus network. You can visit humanadental.com to find participating providers and specialists. It's really a huge upgrade from the preventative plan. The loyalty plan is a much better plan. Loyalty Plus plan features: there is confidence in knowing your dental plan and your dental plan knowing you. So now the longer you are a member, the greater benefit, such as fillings, root canals, and crowns, increased maximum amounts that the plan will pay annually. It grows in value, kind of like some of these auto insurance plans do. A one-time deductible for as long as you stay on the plan, freedom to choose to visit the dentist you like most. So these are good for people on the discount plans where they want to keep their dentist and they wouldn't be otherwise available in a discount plans network. You could actually offer this plan and they can go to any dentist they want, as it seems here. With no waiting periods, you can get the dental work you need upon your effective date, and your plan benefits will help cover the cost. Helps maintain good oral health. So with that being said, here you see a one-time deductible is $150 instead of the $50 on the preventative plan. Individual plus one is $300, so just double it, and then family $450 is the deductible annually. Plan year annual maximum $1,000 first year, $1,250 second year, and $1,500 subsequent years. So that's not a big annual benefit. Many people will go way over that this year or that year, in the future years. But it may be what you want because it covers a lot more in the actual dental visit. Preventative services plan pays first year 100%, second year 100%, plan pays subsequent years 100%. See, now where do you find 100% coverage? Usually it's 80%. Routine oral examinations, it has those limits, limit 2 per year. Periodontal examinations, cleanings, limit 2 per year. Even down here to the diagnostic and basic services, 40%, 55%, up to 70% on the subsequent years after the second year. And so that's for the extraction. So the bigger cost items actually, so they have lower percentage savings on that. Plan pays 40%, so you pay 60%. So on the middle plan here, it looks more like one of the discount plans where the plan pays 55%, but over here it doesn't even pay over, but up to 70% and no more. So that's similar to the discount plans in that sense. Humana One Dental Loyalty Plus Coinsurance, major services plan pays 20% after deductible. This is for major services. That means the very expensive ones: denture repair, crowns, onlays, surgical extractions, complete dentures, and after the second year and subsequent years, 50% it pays. Orthodontia services, adult and child orthodontia. I had 3 of my 5 kids in dentists in braces, and so I didn't have any insurance for that. Paid for all of it out of our own pocket. Dental limitations and exclusions. Again, I'm going to let you read this on your own, just not to take up the time on the video. But here, scrolling, you can stop it at any place and read up on these 28 warnings or information in your multi-language as well.